Hello, ito si Attorney Chato Olivas of Easy Law Online. Meron akong mga book recommendations para sa iyo. Ito ay Civil Procedure, Special Proceedings, Evidence, and Remedial Law, annotated, written by Judge Janice L. Andrade Udarbe. I highly recommend these books by Judge Udarbe as indispensable resources for anyone navigating the complexities of remedial law, from law students to seasoned practitioners. Ang mga libro na to, they stand out because they are very clear, they are comprehensive and practical, making them valuable tools at every stage of your legal career. So ito yung aking mga masasabi tungkol sa mga books na to. Ito ay clear, it is accessible. Ang writing style ni Judge Udarbe is remarkably easy to understand even for those who are new to the subject. Tapos maganda yung coverage niya, just sufficient coverage, and then practical application. It has a long-term value and it is good for bar exam preparation. So, yung qualifications ni Judge Udarbe are as follows, and I would like to read this from the description about her in her book on evidence. Judge Udarbe was appointed presiding judge of RTC Branch 57 in Lucena City, Quezon on October 6, 2020. She also served as acting presiding judge for RTC Branch 1 in Batangas City from October 2021 to March 2022, and for RTC Branch 22 in Imus, Cavite from March 2022 to November 2023. And she is currently acting presiding judge of RTC Branch 131 in Trece Martires City. Before her promotion to the second level court, she was the presiding judge of the Municipal Trial Court in Tangkawayan, Quezon from September 2013 to October 2020, and held the position of acting presiding judge in various first-level courts in Cavite. Her more than 10 years of experience as a trial court judge provided her with a unique perspective and deep understanding of the complexities of court proceedings. As for her educational background, she earned her Bachelor of Arts in Psychology from De La Salle University Dasmariñas, Cavite, and completed her law degree at Arellano University School of Law in 2005. She later received a Master of Laws from San Beda University, Manila, with her thesis entitled Electronic Evidence in the Philippines, Appreciation and Usage of Lawyers and Judges. Her research, exploring frontiers in electronic evidence, the Philippine experience, was published in 2021 by the Philippine Social Science Journal, an international peer-reviewed publication. She is happily married to her husband Adele of 14 years and is a dedicated mother to their three sons, Asher Jace, Azariah Jed, and Alexandra Joseph. So in conclusion, the books of Judge Udarbe, these are more than just textbooks. These are valuable resources that will serve you throughout your legal journey. Whether you are a law student, a bar examinee, or a practicing lawyer, these books are an essential addition to your library. Their clarity, comprehensiveness, and practical focus make them a standout resource in the field of remedial law, and therefore I highly recommend this.